Hi everyone, this is Keisha Vlogs. If you've been your actor beast here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video, the national final performance of Ziferblat or Ziferblat. So I won't take any longer. I already made a reaction video to this one, to the music video and at the same to the official audio or the official lyric video, and I'm really amazed how they were gonna execute this. But this time, this is the first time that I'm gonna watch them I'll gonna watch them through live performance. So let's check it out how they were gonna execute this. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. GGG. I cannot wait. Let's check it out. Oh wait, why there's a girl? Wait, why is there's a girl? Because when I made a reaction video to the music video, there are 3 men. So basically, why there is a girl right now? I'm confused. Please comment down below. Please help me. I'm really confused. Because in the music video, I saw that there are 3 guys. Something like singing this song. But why is that there is 3 girls right now? 3 girls and 1 guy. Why? I'm confused. Please comment down below. I am pretty sure that is a bird of prey and Ziferblat that I made a reaction video. Seriously. Anyways, let's continue this. Can we just start at the top? Why there's a girl? Where's the original member? Wow. Oh my god. Harmonization. Love the harmonization though. Wow. My god, the vocal prowess. Oh, there's a 2 guy. Okay, there's a 2 guy. Vocal prowess. Okay, so meaning to say the girls were backup only. Okay, sorry. This is an on-the-spot reaction. That's why I didn't check the set video yet, so that I can show you the genuine reaction here on my channel. But nevertheless, into the introduction, it's perfectly well executed. Seriously. Vocal prowess of this guy. What is the name of this guy? Wow, the control. Love the control there. Oh, the girl. Wait a minute, so basically the girls were singing there is something like they were gonna join in Eurovision stage as well if ever this one will be the representing Ukraine. Please comment down below. Love the soprano tone there, the head tone are giving. It's perfect. Nice. Ah, the way she ended that. The way he ended that though, wow. Look at that, he came prepared. He really came prepared, isn't it? Love the tone, what I'm hearing right now. I really love how they do some harmonization here. Like literally, for example, the guy or the lead vocalist will gonna sing a song and then there's a backup, the backup, what they call that, backup singers will gonna sing a song as well. I really love that execution though. Anyways. Wow. Wow. Aww. Nice. The girl is using a headphone. Wow. My goodness gracious. They ate and left no crumbs. Literally. I really love the harmonization. I'm really sorry to the introduction because I questioned something like I asked like, what's happening to the other two members? I didn't see that there are two members. Sorry for that. But nonetheless, we will get something. Where is this one? This one is my favorite part. Wow. Yeah, the harmonization here. The control. Wow, he sustained that. He really sustained that. Literally, they came prepared. Seriously. I love this. I love this. Wow. Really love that. Such an angel, right? Young is such an angel. Wow. Hey, there you go guys. That is our for today's video from a Ziferblat Bird of Prey. My god, I didn't expect it at all because in the sad music video, I didn't know that there were a girl. Actually, it really not shown in the music video, the girl who were singing there. And also something like I thought that it is a guy who executed that one. Nevertheless, I really love the set execution. I enjoy their performance. It's really winner vibe. They were gonna set the stage on fire in ESC. They were gonna set the stage on fire. That is pretty sure. They were gonna eat and left no crumbs. Seriously. Oh my god, this is good. I really love the execution. Seriously. And at the same time, vocals plus the meaning of the sad song, Bird of Prey. Ooh, that is such an orgasmic. Seriously. So yeah, that is our for today's video. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!